Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing what's inside the December Simply Earth recipe box with you guys. Simply Earth is an essential oil brand that we love and we use regularly. They are very affordable. You can just go on and buy your favorite oils. They have this recipe box, which is also an option to go on and subscribe to. It is $45, but with my code, you get $45 back to use on future purchases. So it's like a no-brainer to try it for a month if you're into making things or you're into essential oils, but you don't know how to use them. I'm the kind of person that I like knowing the value of each box is always way more than the $45. This month's value is $120. And you get 4 essential oils, recipe cards, and then most of the things you need to make each recipe, like household things like sugar or things like that, that won't be included in your box. But when you first sign up and you get your very first box, and then every 6 months after, you get a big bonus box, which is a big box that this like fits into, and it comes with coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, bottles, empty rollers, and just different things that you need to almond oil, I believe, and just like different supplies you'll need. So anyways, that is why I love Simply Earth. I share this box every month. So come back at the beginning of each month and you can get like a sneak peek of what's in it. If you feel like you don't like an oil that's coming in your box that month, or you already have and stocked up on the oils that are coming in, you can swap them out. I think that's it. So I'll just share the recipe cards. Actually, I'll share the oils first, and then I'll share the recipes with you. So the first one is Atlas Cedarwood, and I have this oil already, so this is going to go in my giveaway pile, so I'm not going to open it. But Atlas Cedarwood is really, really good for so many things. Cedarwood is like in my top 5 essential oils that I tell people to get right away. Oh, they changed their bottle. So they used to say, okay, I hope this will focus and show you, but it used to show, this is the older bottle, this blue one, maybe, nope, it shares 4 different things, and then the new, I guess this is just a different label, maybe a new label, I'm not sure, but it's just ingredients and then suggested use, where it used to say the plant part, the origin, the ingredients, which is the Latin binomial, which is the name that has to be on the essential oil bottle, means that it is an actual essential oil, and then the aroma. So they've kind of changed that, which I loved this label because I loved reading all those things. But anyways, Cedrus Atlantica, and this is aromatic and topical. I'm wondering if it's just like with essential oils, there is a big labeling thing. You have to pay and go through a lot of hoops to label a certain way. So that's probably why. So cedarwood is there. Cedarwood kind of smells like woodsy and warm, and it blends well with a lot of different oils. Next is marjoram. Maybe I can get this to work. So marjoram is from the flower and leaf. This one's from Egypt, and this is sweet and herbaceous. I'm gonna see if I already have, it's Origanum marjorana, and I'm gonna see if I already have that. I actually have all of the oils that come in this box, so I'm gonna just open mine and I can kind of give you a little smell test as well. Where were we? So let me just see. So Atlas Cedarwood is dry and woody. See, this is the old label still. But anyways, it also says like if it's child safe and then what age. So this one's child safe 2+, 1% max dilution. So I love that about the bottles. Which one is next? So marjoram. This one is sweet and herbaceous. What does that remind me of? Oh, it smells good. It's light and herbaceous. Good Vibes is the blend you get this month. And Good Vibes has been one of my favorite blends from them for a really long time. I've had this and had multiple bottles of it. It's clary sage, which I love so much for hormone support, but it also smells very like perfumey, like fragrancy, floral. It also has geranium, which is also really strong floral, lavender, lemon, and hoe wood. So it's a really nice blend. Just for like having people over or working, really for anything uplifting. It's not like a sleepy time oil, and it smells so good. And the last oil is sage, and I just did a whole video on sage because I love it so much, and it's one of those oils where I feel like I've had and I've used in different things, but I just recently fell in love with it. I love it so much. I have this little roller at my desk and I roll it on every day. It just smells so good to me right now. So that I find that interesting always, because it's like maybe I'm needing that oil, or just curious to why I'm drawn to it at the moment, but it smells so good. It's sort of like eucalyptus, if you are familiar with that, or earthy and floral is what the bottle says, but I don't really think it's floral to me. but it smells so good. Okay, so anyways, those are the 4 oils. Like I said, you can swap them out if you want. Currant Wine Lip Crayon. A lip crayon. This is cool. Is first. So what is this? So we're going to do a dash of iron oxide. Iron oxide. Is it the red iron oxide? So we get this red iron oxide, I'm assuming. Then there's fuchsia mica powder, mineral makeup base. Oh, this is going to be a cool, what is the theme this month? It's beauty. I'm really excited about these. Okay, and then you get these 2 little tins. So I'm not sure. So I guess the dash of iron oxide, a pinch of the mineral makeup base, coconut oil solid, almond oil, which comes in your big bonus box, beeswax, sage marjoram, and then a lip balm tube. So I'm assuming we use these, or you can use any old recycled container, like a lip balm container. So you mix it all together, melt and stir in the other ingredients. It's kind of like heat it, mix it up together, and it's like a tinted lipstick, basically. The next one is Monthly's Roll-On. Okay, so this one, like I was saying before with the Clary Sage, that's in this Good Vibes, this is going to be like a monthly roll-on for ladies. This is Good Vibes marjoram and then coconut oil, and then you mix it together in like a roller like this, which comes in your big bonus box. And I use Clary Sage on my abdomen every time I'm going to start my period and then throughout, and it really does help. And every time it does, I'm like blown away by like, wow, that actually worked. I don't know why I'm still like surprised by it. But anyways, the next one is Dusty Rose Blush. We are making makeup, guys. This one is the mineral makeup base, a red iron oxide. So a pinch of this, a pinch of the fuchsia mica powder, which they just came out with these mica powders, and they're really fun to make different ingredients like DIYs like bath bombs and things. Fractionated coconut oil, and then a small. So we're gonna put it, you get 2 of these. So you're gonna put that in the tin. Okay, the girls are gonna be obsessed with that. They are so into makeup right now, and it's like a fight to like not, for them to listen to me not to wear makeup to school. They wanna wear it everywhere. Weekends are okay, but we don't need to wear makeup to school. They are 5 and 7 right now, for reference. Pink Lemonade eyeshadow. And so this one you're gonna use the makeup base, the mica powder, coconut oil, and then another small tin. So might need a couple more of those. So kind of mix that all together, and then you have an eyeshadow. The girls, I'm gonna have to have them make these with me so I can share with you guys. Enchanted Diffuser Blend. So you're gonna get empty bottles, empty essential oil bottles in your big bonus box, and you're gonna blend like a bunch of the different oils that come in your box to make another blend. So it's 40 drops marjoram, 40 Good Vibes, and 20 cedarwood, and you're making a Enchanted Diffuser Blend. And then lastly is a glow serum. Okay, this box might be one of my favorites of all time. Almond oil, marjoram, Good Vibes, cedarwood, and then you're gonna mix it all together and put it in a serum container, which honestly could be a roller, guys. You can just make it all and then label it as your glow serum and then just roll it on your face. But it could be any kind of bottle, glass bottle preferably. Then you also get labels, so you can make sure everything has a label so you don't forget what it is. And what else? They give back 13% to help end human trafficking, which I always think is so impressive. I think that's it though. I don't want this to be too long. I'll do more videos on us making these DIYs. And like I said, I have all of these, so all of these are going to be up for grabs. Maybe I'll do an Instagram giveaway soon on these essential oils, and I have a box of them. Okay, let me know if you have any questions on Simply Earth. Let me know what you're excited for this month. Thank you guys so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.